Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. Are you ready for this? Oh my gosh, we're gonna have fun today. So, for January, one of my goals is to use up things that I have around my house. Now, I had worked for Bo Bunny it's a scrapbook company in Utah for 5 years. So I was on several teams, layouts, cards, videos, and one thing I did was pocket scrapbooking. So I got all these cute little binders. So what I decided for January is to put my journal in a little binder. So I cut the cover and glued it onto the front, and then the funnest part was trying to line up my hole punch for these 3 little holes. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. So I have my dashboard in here, and the cover, and the poem I just started today. So I'm gonna pop a page out, and we're gonna have some fun. So that's my new system. I like the Happy Planner rings. I really like that system, but I have all these little binders, so I thought I was gonna use those today. So let's see if we can just zoom not that much. My zoom doesn't want to work today. Hang on. Let's just leave it like that. Sorry guys. So what my plan is to do something a little mixed media. So I got a couple things of paint just from the dollar store, and I'm going to use a credit card to squish it on here. So let's begin that wonderful process. Don't want that much paint, Lynn. So I'm just going to smush some paint just all over the page. No rhyme, no reason. I'm not even sure where the elements are all going yet. I picked out a few, so let's see what happens. So we'll do this and that, and then we'll see what's gonna happen after that. The puppies are playing outside. It's quite a nice day today. So let's do that. Grab the dryer, give it a little blast of heat, and then see what kind of trouble we can get into. And I might leave everything, my little, I want to use some stencils, but I may wait to do that till the very end because I don't know where I'm going to put all the elements. So, looks kind of crazy right now, right? Just this whole mushy system, but trust me, it's going to work. So I always start with my card. So I think I'm going to put it here. And there is the verse of the day. Oh, hang on everyone, the doorbell's ringing. I'll be right back. I'm so sorry about that. My mail guy was here and he was bringing me a new toy to play with. So I had to run and get it. And the puppies are outside, so they're like barking like crazy. And now I'm out of breath because I had to run down the stairs. Don't you love these videos that aren't edited? So I'm just going to put my verse on here from Matthew 6:10, which is, "Your kingdom come, your will be done on heaven as it is on earth." So I'm going to put that there, and I love these little borders from our strips. So should I cut it or just use it like that? I think I'm going to use it like that. So let's get the card down, and then we'll play around with where everything else should go. So card here. Gosh, I think I need to exercise more because I'm like out of breath. Crazy, right? So yeah, I fussy cut all these little borders by hand. I was gonna try it with my scanning cut, but I just wasn't sure what was gonna happen with that. All right, so card down. And then of course we know that we're going to put a tab. I am. So I just picked one of the words off the word sheet. And so I'm just going to stick that down up here so I can kind of plan. All right, so we got that going. Now what are we going to do? I know I want to use one of the girls, huh? From $2 Tuesday. Love these girls. Really loving these girls. So I think I'm gonna do that. I love how these two things fit together. So smart. Did I plan that? No. Does it work? Yes. So happy. I can't wait to see everybody's journals because I get so many great ideas from you guys. And I am just amazed how many ways you guys can use the elements. Like, you shock me. You seriously shock me. My little card doesn't want to stick down. There we go. So the question for today is, how is your plan and God's plan different? Well, I did some serious journaling on this, and what I'm doing is I'm using the big sticker strips, and I'm doing my journaling on the strips. And Salita, do you see that? I'm using your font this month. How nice is she to give us a free font of her own handwriting? Amazing. She's such a sweetheart, I tell ya. We've gotten to be good friends, and I adore her. I really, really do. She is so, so sweet. Maybe we'll put the girl right over top of all the elements. Wouldn't that be fun? We'll stick that there maybe. Stick the big pink one on top. I'm a little bit shaky today, sorry. So we'll put her there. And I love these hearts, these scalloped hearts. I think I'm gonna stamp something on that, but I don't know exactly what yet. I have another heart, but should we put that there? Why not? So, oh wait, I have my sticker strip. I think that I was going to put right here. That's probably a good idea. So what do we do with this heart? Do we use the heart? Do we not use the heart? Do we tuck it in? Sure, let's tuck it in. Okay, so let's start the gluing process. How many glue sticks did you get for Christmas? I tell ya, I got glue sticks for Christmas. My family knows me so well. They go, Mom, what do you want for Christmas? I said glue sticks and foam brushes so I can put gesso on my pages. This is what I wanted. Now, my camera battery's flashing. Really? I tell you. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave for 1 second. I will be right back with a fresh battery. Maybe today we'll actually get this video done. Okay, we are back. I'm in a panic today to shoot videos because Hubs is at the office and he works a lot from home. So I'm trying to shoot a video today so that I can have it all ready for January and we're good to go. So I want to know how everybody's holidays went and how was Christmas for you, and did you get glue sticks? Because I love glue sticks. I would love a whole sock full of glue sticks. I know, I'm a little bit crazy, but I do love glue sticks. Okay, so let's start at the top. I went back to polka dots. Do you guys love the polka dots this month? Back to our pink polka dots, and I love the colors in this journal. I was so excited when I was designing it. I just was so excited to work in it. And I know I say that about every journal, but there's some journals that just touch me, and I really need to work on God's plan for me because, like I did in my journaling, I said with my heart, I want to follow God's plan, but with my mind, sometimes I go my own direction and then I either run into a big roadblock or something happens, and then I sit there and I go, why did this happen? Well, because you're not following God's plan. When we follow God's plan, everything works. The right things come into our life, the right people come into our lives, the right situations happen. And then we go, yeah, you know what? That was God. When I try to do it on my own, oh my gosh, I have so many roadblocks. And then I have to stop and think, you know what, Lynn? You are following your own plan. You are definitely not following God's. And then I do a change, and then guess what? His plan works. It always works. So I need to get my heart and my mind on the same track. And Follow God. Okay, so another from the word sheet. And look how quick a page comes together. So now what I'm gonna do, let's put away the glue stick. And I'm just gonna grab my little stencil here, Circle Explosion, and some turquoise paint. Put it in my little dish. Can you guys hear Hubs calling me? He's calling because he's gone all day and I won't get to see him till probably like midnight tonight. So he's trying to call from work, and of course I'm shooting a video, so I don't want to stop again. I will call him right back. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of paint in my little tray, picking it up with a little sponge, and then I'm just going to dab it on to my page and make some dots. Just make some random dots and have some fun, because this mixed media, I haven't done this in a while, and I really just wanted to kick it up a notch, you know, for the Do Journal, do something different. I actually sat and was looking at some of my previous journals to see what was I doing in them, and I was gonna jelly plate, except I didn't want to cover up the graphics, so I thought this would be a good alternative. So there we have it. We're all done. I'm covered in paint. Here's our page. Lickety split. I do my journaling ahead of time. I do, you know, a couple days, and then I print it out, and then I work in my journal. A couple days, work in my journal. So all I do is I'm gonna pop it back into my binder. I'm gonna put my strip in my binder as well and get that in there. And I should have printed something on the back, but that's okay. So there we have it, all done, ready to go on page 2. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody. It's a quick little hello for January. So excited to see everybody's journal. Hope you're enjoying it, hope you're having fun, and you too are on the path of finding out what God's plan is for you. Blessings to everyone, and I will see you in Praise and Pray. Bye-bye.